Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Legit. On today's video, I'm asking you for your help on identifying 3 males who, on the 22nd of April 2021, at approximately 0140 hours, stole a blue Yamaha R1M from Vauxhall Street, SE11. As you're about to see, 3 males attend the location, scaling the fence and confidently approaching the bike's location, despite PIR sensors triggering exterior floodlights and seemingly not spooking them. 2 out of the 3 wear North Face jackets, with the 3rd wearing a Nike. Their hoods are all pulled over their faces, possibly aware of camera locations. After attempting to gain access to the bike's lockup, an alarm goes off, sending all 3 of the IC1 males running off. Although they leave the bike, I believe they stay close by to monitor if there's any response from residents inside. An hour and a half later, all 3 come back on 2 bikes in full bike gear from the direction of Kennington Tube Station. A wily fox hears the approaching mopeds coming at 01:39 hours and makes a sharp getaway. Parking their bikes up so they too can make a quick getaway, one of the boys wastes no time in using a portable angle grinder to attack the locked up gate. Within seconds, they're through and waste no time heading straight to the bike. Then, just like that, it's walked out to the awaiting mopeds, where they push it by foot in the direction of Peddlers Park, then onto their stash location. So what do we know? The suspects are all IC1 males. They're most likely going to be in their early to late 20s. At least 2 will have brown or dark hair and are between 5'6" to 5'11" in height. They'll also have strong established connections to organised crime. Our last clue is the times. It takes them an hour and 30 to travel to their stolen bike stash location, grab their mopeds and gear and come back. From that we can narrow down a 45-minute time radius, somewhere in the southwest of London. A week has now elapsed and I'm under no illusion that it's possible this bike could be stripped down or shipped out of the country. But these boys won't have gone anywhere. They'll be prowling around the streets of London like the vermin they are. Any tips or information, stay anonymous, and I'll personally be offering 500 quid from my YouTube money for the location of the bike or the name of one of the 3 suspects. All information should be directed towards NW10MC. The link of their Instagram will be down in the comments below. Keep your eyes and ears open for this bike, and guys, until next time, you've been awesome. I've been Legit. I'll see you in the next one.